Hi, this is Edie with the Little House of Beans. This morning we are making a pigs in blanket bake. Simple, 6 ingredients, super easy. The recipe will be in the description below. We also have a Facebook page, and that link will be in the description below. If you like these cooking little videos and more of our little travels and adventures, click the notification button so you will be notified, and smash that like button, and please consider subscribing to the Little House of Beans. Let's get to cooking.